Creating a Midjourney account is a simple process, but first, let's understand what Midjourney is. Midjourney is an artificial intelligence program and service created and hosted by a San Francisco-based independent research lab, Midjourney Inc. It generates images from natural language descriptions, called prompts, similar to OpenAI's DALL-E and Stable Diffusion. However, it is important to note that Midjourney is not a free service, but new users have access to a limited free trial. If you are looking for a way to create images without subscribing, there are alternative options available. To use Midjourney, you must join the Discord platform through your Discord account. Discord is a VoIP and instant messaging social platform that allows users to communicate through voice calls, video calls, text messaging, media, and files in private chats, or as part of communities called servers. To join Discord, search for discord.com on Google, and you will be directed to the official website. Once you have joined Discord, you can create your own server and choose from different templates. After selecting your preferred template, click on Create My Own, and you will be asked for your server name. You can also skip this question if you prefer. After creating your server, you can proceed to join Midjourney. Before joining Midjourney, you will need to verify your Gmail account. Once your account is verified, search for Midjourney on Google and click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the Midjourney website interface. On the right side of the interface, click on Join the Beta. This will direct you to your Discord account, where a pop-up invitation will appear. Click on Invite and allow Midjourney to be added to your Discord account. You will need to fill out a CAPTCHA before being directed to your Discord account, where you can start using Midjourney. So, what are you waiting for? Start generating stunning images with Midjourney today.